Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Creeping up there at 84 degrees now, plenty of sunshine still poking through the cloud cover, so we have kind of a sun-cloud mix across the region. We have a dew point value of 73. The air is slightly drier than it was 24 hours ago, so our rain chance is a little bit less than we had over the last couple of days, but we'll still see some showers around. We are seeing some showers around, and a thunderstorm or two certainly possible throughout the afternoon. We have a south-southeast wind now. I think that'll turn even more southerly as we head through the afternoon. So generally, the motion of these storms is going to be from south heading due north. And they're going to develop, I think, as we head into the afternoon along a line where the sea breeze front moves inland. So inland locations are probably favored. 40% chance of showers a little bit later on. As we head into the evening hours and the daytime heating starts to collapse, we'll go to a 30% chance and then take it down to 10% by midnight. You can generally see this south to north motion of all these little storm cells, and you've got some pretty good dotted coverage from the southern tip of the state on up through central Florida. But to the north of us, there's been some persistent heavy rainfall through parts of the Panhandle, up through the Big Bend region. There could probably be some localized flooding up there, no doubt about it. And the potential for some severe weather there as well. There have been some special marine warnings up there. I don't think we'll see anything like that around here, though some of the storms could produce some moderately heavy rainfall. 301 and 75 seeing rain showers now also. Inland around Myakka seeing a little bit of heavier shower activity. So we'll watch for that for the course of the afternoon. By the way, several of the rivers are still slightly above flood stage with minor flooding anticipated. I've put that information along with the gauge information, stream gauge information on the website mysuncoast.com. Click on the weather button, and that information will be available for those who find that of interest. A general southerly wind flow continues throughout the day today. A trough of low pressure back to the west, helping to excite some stronger storms. And then out in the Atlantic, we have that high pressure ridge kind of sitting there. Moved a little bit further to the north over the next 24 hours, and our winds, I think, will respond accordingly, kind of turning a little bit more to a easterly direction with time. That'll help, I think, push a few of the showers back closer to the coastline as we head into tomorrow. But today, the majority of the rain, I think, is going to be falling east of the interstate. So look for a sun-cloud mix, afternoon storms focusing in inland areas, but still along the coastline, you have a chance at a shower or two. And then drier this weekend as we get a little bit of drier air moving in from the Atlantic. Taking a look at the future cast, you'll see as we go through time the showers kind of favoring inland locations, but still dotting the coastline a little bit. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, I think we'll do it all over again with some coastal showers building first, followed by afternoon showers through the later part of the mid-morning and into the afternoon. South wind, a little bit breezy perhaps as we head into the second half of the day. South at about 10 to 15, becoming more southerly this evening at about 10. And the forecast looks like this for today. We'll go with about a 40% chance of showers with a daytime high of about 90. Then tomorrow, about a 50% chance of storms. And some of those could be a little bit closer to the coastline. Again, some heavy rainfall possible if you happen to be under some of those storms. I think probably half-inch to 1-inch rainfalls for most people will be about right. Then we'll get some drier air moving in here. Saturday and Sunday, you might even be able to reduce these rain chances a little more. We'll see how fast that dry air gets in here, but certainly I think 40% will do it. And then as we head into the beginning of next work week, maybe even a little bit less rain chance, coming in at about a 30 for a couple of days anyway. Scott?